Hi guys, hi everyone. Just a quick update. The situation in Gaza has become unbearable, unimaginable, and people's struggle and suffering is far, 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 far away from anyone can imagine. In Rebuild Gaza, or the Rebuild Gaza team, we're trying to stay focused and try to help and support people as much as we can. We have completed few projects before Eid, and we continue to do more. So we have managed to install and restore a water well in the north, and we've managed to support it with connections, water barrels, to provide water to the maximum number of people that we can. So the project being completed in the north, in Al Nasser Street or neighborhood. We've mounted water barrels plus connections that would serve about 3,000 to 4,000 people. During Eid, we have managed to distribute money to the children, just to make them happy for Eid. But unfortunately, as many of you they have seen on the news, we've lost some of these children. I think we've lost about 5 or 6 of them, that they've died during an airstrike in Khan Yunis. Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakeel. We also managed to distribute food. As you also know, the food prices, they have climbed up, very crazy expensive. Having said that, we have managed to distribute food parcels to the people of Khan Yunis. Successfully, we've managed to distribute just over 100 food parcels. And alhamdulillah, we can't thank you enough for your great support during this difficult time in Gaza.
فلسطين أرض السلام وأرض المرسلين. فلسطين يا روح الروح، إحنا مش ناسيين.